Yes, hello and welcome back on the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome you all on this channel, that you are highly welcomed, and let me pronounce that on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So for today's video we're gonna share with you a VPN app, and it is known as ETA VPN. So before using any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. So the app is presented right here. So after searching for ETA VPN, you scroll down until you find the app. As you scroll down, take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you subscribe, you will not miss any of our future coming content. You can also comment in the comment section. So before using any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions. So this is the app ETA VPN. So before using any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also make sure to read your country laws, local laws, and also you follow them. And after that, you require to set it up, the app. So you install, then you open the app. Immediately it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So you must have a running internet for the app to automatically update to the latest version. And after doing that, you are required to pick a server right here. So you can either pick auto or you can pick any of the presented servers. For today's guide, we're gonna pick the auto server, and the other setting we're gonna pick is the all country UDP mode. So we're gonna choose a connection method. We're gonna use the UDP mode. So you can tap here, then from the presented you can either search for your country name or you can simply go with any of the presented connection methods. So for today's video, for us, we are focusing on all country settings, as you can see right here. So this option is working for all countries, so you can try it in your country and your feedback in the comments. So the other setting is you are required to initiate a connection by tapping on this start button. When you tap on the start button, the app will definitely be connected within a few seconds. So I think you can see how the app is already connected, and that's how we set up ETA VPN to get a fast and secure connection when you are online. And please subscribe.